Good morning, it's us from Rolling Down Under, and today we're going to go and tackle the M1 because we've decided we're going to go and have a look at some whales. We booked on a whale excursion at 10 o'clock at SeaWorld, so hopefully the M1's not too bad because we're running a little bit late. It's actually 9 o'clock now and we probably should have been there by now, but anyhow we'll see what this M1's going to be like, and hopefully we'll get there in 20 minutes because that's how long it should really only take us to get there. So we'll left our run a little bit late, but we'll see how we go. So hopefully we'll get to see some whales, and we'll give you an update on the whales after we've been out there, and hopefully we don't get seasick. Hey Paul.
Yeah.
Okay.
Katrina's birthday too. I know. Yeah, it's Katrina's birthday. So I thought I'd bring her out to take a whale watching. So the captain's a bit loud at the moment, but there seems to be a whale in the vicinity, so we'll have a look.
Hi, so today we decided we'd go out for a drive to Springbrook to have a look at the natural bridge, and we love a road trip with coffee! Yay! So let's wait and see what happens when we get to Springbrook. See ya!
On the road again. Open the gate, now I'm on the road again. I just can't wait to sniff some assholes with my friends. Oh, that's the wrong song. At Natural Bridge, going for a bit of a walk, go down, have a bit of a look at the waterfall. It's supposed to be spectacular, so we'll take you for a ride. Down the steps. I'm sure there's going to be heaps of steps.
I don't want to go on the steps.
Come on, it's going to go. Oh no, there's not that many steps.
Where's the steps?
Not yet.
You're a storyteller.
I can hear it. Can you hear it? So it's not too bad of a walk down here, is it? That's bad. Hang on, a nice little deck over there. Just have to wear your nice boots and or shoes, or which way we go.
One way only, 400 to the cave.
Right, we'll go this way then.
That would be the way, Paul.
That would be the way. Look at that tree. That is beautiful. That's huge. You can live inside that.
Off you go.
Or are you trying to get rid of me? She's trying to get rid of me.
Lucky, the gates are open so we can keep walking.
Oh no, he's look at him. The stairs. What's in there? 5, 6. Yeah. Once you come into the forest, it's very cold. It drops 10 degrees. Well, for us Queenslanders, that's 35 degrees is cold. It's not 35 degrees, it's about 18. Nice for a walk. Off we go. More steps. Look over. Look at the size of this tree's root system. It's amazing. There's
Why did it grow straight
so many
and then it went
vines.
crooked?
Oh, no, maybe,
And then look at the one in front of you.
maybe they go that way because the sun, that's the only way they can find the sun. You could always ask it. Nice little bridge here.
Do you see focus in here?
Maybe. Mountain stand. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that.
You might get too wet in here because of all the kind of foliage, so you might be safe, Paul.
We might be safe. I hope we're safe. Hold my hand.
Okay.
Oh, that's beautiful. There's a big cave.
Can you see the water?
Yes, it's pouring on our heads. Getting wet. All right. Hey?
You are here.
We are here.
We are here, and we're still going to walk all the way around here. Oh my God! We said it was just an easy walk.
It is an easy walk.
It's really hard.
Calm down.
You calm down.
It's not that hard. Not that hard. She's belly aching, aren't you?
You're not shine light in the cave. Why?
I don't know.
Oh, because it's the glowworm.
Because you what?
You'll feel the glowworm.
Yes. And up the stairs we go. There's the cave from the other angle. You can hear it. The water that's going through is amazing.
That tree out of it.
Because it looks goes in with the cave as well. We're going to the back. We can't go through the road at the moment. We're going around to where the road finishes. And up there. Look at that, that's beautiful. Very noisy, isn't it?
So once upon a time, see that hole, you see the mushroom stone? There used to be a tree that used to hang over there, down into the water. And for some reason, they decided that they were going to take the tree out of there. So they have now. So, which is a bit of a shame because like, you look at all the photos and postcards and everything, it's all got that tree in it. And now they have to go and redo all the postcards and the pictures because now there's no tree. So I wouldn't like to swim in this water. It'd be pretty bloody cold, I think.
Very, very cold.
Okay,
And
I think the tree was over here.
yeah, it might have
So
been.
maybe the tree was pointing in this side and the tree was over here.
And in this cave at night time, you come down when it's really dark and you can see up on the ceiling of the cave is glowworms. A lot of glowworms. It's very spectacular at night time.
Can't see it during the day, but yeah. It's really pretty come at night time.
Yeah, very pretty. I'll see that. Okay, up a few more stairs. And the reason why they call it a natural bridge is you can actually walk across it. You can see where the water's flowing into the cave, where we're heading to now. So that's pretty spectacular as well. So I'll take you for a ride. Jump on.
There's no bloody ride in here. I couldn't jump on, you're too tall.
Maybe I should jump on you.
No way, mate. Way back.
What? Okay. Off we go. Okay, now we're up the top of the cave and you can hear it. And this is where the water feeds into the cave. So there you go. So a lot of people here. There it is. Go down into the cave. Cave into there.
That's the whole room.
Yeah. There you go. I'll see a little bit further from up here. Up the hill. Morning.
I miss everything. Go and stand on that big rock. You didn't want some fungi?
Nah.
Could take it home and put it in some beef stroganoff.
I don't think so. I'm sorry.
We're having that for tea tomorrow night. Beef stroganoff.
Beef stroganoff.
Keep on the road, man. Okay, so let's just walk down here a little bit more and then go. So that's where we were down there before in the big dark hole, and this is where all the water's coming from. Don't know where it's coming from now cooler, but this is where it's coming from for now. And if we go down a little bit further, and then that water goes all the way through there and out there. And then it goes down into that where we came from. Oh, the sun's out, Paul!
Sun's out.
Sun's out now. Yep. We're going. Washing my hair. Ready?
You're breaking your neck.
Don't jump. Ready, set.
So, that's the scenic walk. Well, we get to walk up the top now, so I don't think there's a lot left. But it's pretty spectacular if you want to come for a bit of a walk. It's not that hard to get down here.
I'd say it's a grade 1 walk.
Yeah, we're only puffing because we're old.
Talk for yourself.
I am. You're nearly older than me, though.
Shut up.
Shut up. But anyway, it's pretty spectacular. It's beautiful. Come down and have a bit of a look. You come down at night, have a look at the glowworms. They're pretty spectacular. It's a nice little walk. It's only taken us probably about 20 minutes to get around it. We'll head back up to the car.
How unreal are these things?
These trees must have been planted here because they're perfectly aligned. Oh, look at all the antlers on them. In this size hole there must be about 80 feet.
There's 7 of them.
7.
If you come off, there's 3 there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's 10 in total.
10, there you go.
And this
We've gone from 7 to 10. Mhm. But they must have been planted here for once upon a time.
There's more than 10. There keeps coming.
But you look at those trees there, and they're nothing like over here. They're all elms, and well, these are big pines. So I'd say the early settlers might have planted them here.
Or whoever made the path.
Well, being that tall and that big, they'd have to be 200 years old. Easy.
Absolutely.
And here we are back where we turned off to go down. So 20 minutes. Nice walk. Like Katrina said, it's only a grade 1. Morning. And it's really not that hard for old people.
For yourself.
What, are you struggling?
No.
Okay. You sure? Come on, I'll help you. Come on, darling. And we're back.
Oh, we didn't see any snakes.
Hey?
We didn't see any snakes.
Didn't see any snakes.
Didn't see any bush
They're hibernating. Morning. And that's the sign. That's where we've just been.
This is what you would see if you came at night time.
The glowing rooms. You see them all up there? That's how it would look. They're very cool. And you also got a nice sign here saying, what about the glowworms, how they hang in there, mosquito larvae and all their larvae. People come here and don't smoke, they don't spray pesticides on this, keep the mozzies away. And you don't use your lights because it can kill the glowworms. So
Be respectable.
when you do come down, just go in there, take your cameras and all, but don't use your flash.
You can't really take photos of them anyhow. Because once you do use your camera, you just see dark.
That's right.
So no pets allowed. Don't feed wild critters.
No. Can't eat. No campfires. Take your rubbish with you. There's the walk there.
That's a given, isn't it? Take your rubbish with you.
Yes. And it's really good. No swimming. You don't jump in there because it's freezing.
It's a grade 2 walk. I
Yeah,
would say it was a grade 1. It's not.
You're still in grade 1. Let's go. It's getting nasty.
So we're back in the car. We've just done the natural bridge. It was actually grade 2, not a grade 1. So it's a good walk. No food facilities out here, but there is toilets which flush, which is even better. What else can I say about it? We didn't see any snakes.
There is carpet snakes out there, but not this time of the year because it's winter. You see a lot of frogs, lizards. Just be wary of them.
Bush turkeys, we didn't see any of those either.
No bush turkeys, everything's gone to sleep. Hey, back again. I'm down at the Hinds Dam, having a bit of a walk around. It's a beautiful big dam with the overflow right there. It's not flowing very well at the moment, so it's not very full. So apparently there's really good fishing in here, but you got to get a permit to catch bass. You can't take a boat in there, but you can put a kayak on there with a little electric motor or paddle around you. But like I said, the fishing is very good apparently.
Just had a bowl of chips and a smoothie, and now we're going to walk it off.
We're walking it off, so I feel very, very fat. So this is the path down to like a little area where the kids can kick the footy or
Run around like
run
this.
around, burn up a bit of energy, and it takes you down to the water.
Does it? How do you know? You've never been here.
I'm just guessing that it does.
Oh, you're a guesser now.
Yeah, we're guessing. We're guessing. So we'll see if my guess is right, and you'll be apologising. You're right. God,
I choked on that word.
What were in those chips? She caught a bad chip. Should have gave that one to the seagulls.
You weirdo.
No, you never know.
Okay,
So this is the path. It's going to take you down to the water or to a pier or something. This is where the kids can run around. We have a rotunda over there. Do fence around. There's another rotunda over there. Kick the footy, whatever you want to do. Nice little area. The rain stopped too, didn't it?
It didn't start.
Oh, we had a little bit of drizzle. Had the coats on earlier.
I think that was you just spitting at me.
I don't spit at you. But, you know, we can change it if you like. Come on. You alright? Still getting rid of that chip. Okay. Here we go. That's the sign up here. We'll have a bit of a read. Let's say it looks like
Natural bridge.
natural bridge.
Where we just came from. Is that a cane toad?
No, it's not a cane toad. It's a bowerbird. There's the Hinds Dam. There's a lizard thing.
It's like a gecko.
Could be a gecko. Okay.
Camouflage.
There's frogs and insects and birds. Sounds a lot. Anywho, we're heading down the path.
We didn't get your cake.
I was supposed to get a cake. We ended up getting chips. So, chips, cake. Sounds the same, I suppose, doesn't it?
Doesn't taste the same.
Doesn't taste the same, no, but it starts with the same letter. So, I don't know what you were doing when you ordered it. You said, I'll have some ips. Some cow ips. Alright. That was nice anyway. Warm this up a little bit because it's a little bit chilly up here. It's a nice area though.
I don't think you're supposed to be behind the fence, you dickheads.
What are they? Silly people, did you say?
Law-breaking people who think they need to get a better photo or something.
Oh, right, okay. You can't get one from this side of the fence. I think you can. Look at that for a view. Very cool.
Water.
That's the entrance over here. We're cutting to make the dam. good. Here we are. Nice walk anyway, wasn't it? You'll be tired. I warned Katrina out, I'm going to have to carry her back.
Oh, yes, please.
We're going to have to drag her back. Alright, go on back. Come on, baby. It's alright. What is this? It's a big thing to walk underneath. Why did they put something like that up? It doesn't do anything.
It looks like a horseshoe up there.
Yeah. Horses were that big back in the day. No, they weren't. Anyway, it was a good walk. Nice, not too far. Nice little area for the family to come down and have a nice little picnic or something. Like to eat up at the cafe. There's also a walk, you can walk straight over the top of the dam. And you can go into the bush on the other side. There's a walkway there, you can walk there. We'll go for a bit of a walk up then this way. What are you laughing at? Did you fart?
Marley.
I think she farted. Thank God we're walking still. That's alright, it's natural.
I'm deleting that.
We're putting that one on there. There's another nice little area down here. A few seats. This is where the bush turkeys have nesting area. Where the sign says. Another view of the lake. It's very...
It's not a lake, it's a dam.
It's a dammy lakey thing. It's a water supply. But it's very low at the moment. It's normally right up here. So, but that's the walk. You can walk straight over the top of the dam and into the bush, and there's a few walk tracks right up there, in and out. And it's quite nice. We've been over there. You can't get lost. You can. But you have to be pretty stupid. Alright. Now off we go again. We'll go back. Okay, having work to do. Just get you in there and keep you warm. A little bit cold and tired and worn you out. Okay. Here we go. Right on. Alright, so that's us out again at the Hens Dam. Come and have a look. It's a very nice area for the family, and make sure you bring a picnic. See ya.